Welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Hello students, here we provide ICSE, CBSE and WBSE solutions. Today we are going to discuss from a chapter number 5, kinds of noun from the book Wren and Martin. Students, in ICSE syllabus, Wren and Martin's English grammar book has a very pivotal role to play. And this grammar book is not only very much important for ICSE but for all the boards. This is one of the most important and a standard book so far. So students, will go for the chapter kinds of nouns right now. Here we'll explain with all the examples that are based regarding this chapter. So let's discuss. First of all, we are going to discuss the introduction to the kinds of noun. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a thing, place, person, animal, or feeling. Nouns encompass most of the words of a language. So this is the definition of a noun. So students, right now we know what is a noun. Noun means basically a naming word. It can be the name of any person, place, animal, or feeling. Now we are going to know about the classification of nouns. Students, actually nouns are of several types. Here we are providing only the probable list of nouns that are based on your syllabus. So here nouns are classified in different ways. The following are some of the common classifications. Number 1, there is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and number 8 is concrete, and number 9 is compound noun. Now we will discuss each of the type along with its example. Number 1 is proper noun. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or thing. As for example, we can say Stephen is the name of a person, Africa is the name of a continent, London is the name of a country, and London is the name of a capital, that is the capital of UK, and Monday is the name of a day. Now here we need to know that each of these proper noun always starts with a capital letters, such as English. English is also a subject, so that's why it is being started with a capital letter. And here you can see Tanya lives in Mumbai, so here Tanya is the name of a person, that's why it is in capital, and Mumbai is the name of a capital of the state, so that's why it is written in capital. Now we are going to discuss about some notes. Proper nouns are sometimes used as common nouns, such as he was the lookman. Lookman means here it is being used as the wisest man of his age. Next we have the example Kalidas is often called the Shakespeare of India. So here Shakespeare means not the person Shakespeare, but Shakespeare is being related to the greatest dramatist of the age. So in the same way, proper noun can be used as a common noun as well. So you have to be careful about that. Next there is common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. That means we are not specifying, but we are naming in general case, such as boy, country, birds, city, birthday, and so on. So students, when we are saying boy, we are not specifying any particular boy, but we are saying that there is any boy. Okay, the boys are supposed to be brave. That means here we are talking about all the boys. That means the community, the boys, the class of the boys, that means the whole group of boys or the boys generation. Everyone has to be brave. All the boys supposed to be brave. Next there is Asoka was a wise king. So Asoka is a specific person, that's why this is proper noun, but you're saying that only king, so that's why it is a common noun. King is here common noun because we are not talking about any specific king, it is in general a community, but here Asoka is the proper noun. So in the same way we can give you examples for more. Next type is collective noun. Collective noun denotes a group or collection of similar individuals considered as one complete a whole. That means collective nouns often regarded as a whole unit, such as a band of musicians. So here we are saying a band of musicians. That means there are several musicians and we are taking all the musicians as a single unit. So a band of musicians, a board of directors, and in the same way it can be explain like that: a bevy of girls, women, or officers, a bunch of grapes, a bundle of sticks, a caravan of merchants, pilgrims, travelers, and so on. Next examples, we have a chain or range of mountains or hills, a choir of singers, a class of students, a retinue of servants, a herd of cattle. So these are most important collective nouns, and the list continues such as in the sentence: the police dispersed the crowd. So here crowd is the collective noun. Next there is the herd of cattle is passing. The French army was defeated at Waterloo. The jury found the prisoner guilty. So these are the collective nouns that we have used in sentences. You should memorize these examples. Next there is number 4, abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, state, and that is considered apart from the object which it belongs to. We can give you example like that: honesty is the best policy. The wisdom of Birbal is known to all. So here honesty, wisdom, all these are the qualities, so that's why they are abstract noun. Next we have the list. For quality, action, and state, we have distinguished these abstract noun according to its state. First of all, we will talk about the qualities, the abstract noun which belong to the quality, such as goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, hardness, brightness. Next there is the action related abstract noun such as laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hatred, and heroism. Next there is trade related abstract nouns such as childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, and sickness. So these are the few examples of collective nouns. Next we have the next type of noun, that is material noun. Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things is made. Students, here you need to memorize is that of which things is made, such as the main metal, iron, silver, gold, milk. These are the material noun, and from these metals we can produce other materials, such as from iron we can make any scythe or any weapons made of iron. From silver we can make jewelries. From gold there are several bangles, rings can be made. So these are the original or the source, so that's why they are material noun. Now no other metal is as useful as iron, so here iron is the material noun. Gold is a valuable material, so here gold is the material noun, because from gold we can make other things. The next type of noun is their countable noun. Countable nouns means whatever we can count are those that refer to something that can be counted, such as book, pen, apple, girl, boy, nurse, doctor. They can be counted very easily, so that's why they are countable nouns. That means whatever that can be counted, that is countable noun. We bought 5 books yesterday, so here books can be counted, such as we are counting it in the number of 5, that's why it is countable noun. Next, that is number 7, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means that cannot be counted, so it refers to those that refer to something that can never be counted. They mainly denote substances and abstract things, such as if we say milk, can you count milk? Certainly not. Next there is hair, sugar, gold, honesty. So these things can never be counted, so that's why they are uncountable nouns. So we can use this in the sentence such as sugar is sweet, so you cannot count sugar. Milk is a complete food, give me some water. So in the same way we cannot count this. And student, here we have given you the notes. Countable nouns have plural forms while uncountable nouns do not have their plural. This is one of the most important thing that you should know. Much is used in case of uncountable nouns. So here we can say much water, give me much water, or there is enough water in the bottle, there is much water in the bottle. We can say like that. And for the countable nouns we usually use many, so we can say there are many boys playing in the field. So in this way we can use this. Next there is concrete noun. Concrete noun is a noun which refers to a people and to things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. That's why they are say concrete nouns, such as dog, building, coffee, tree, rain, beach, tune. All these exist and we can touch it or feel it. Next there is compound noun. Sometimes 2 or 3 nouns appear together or even with other parts of speech and create idiomatic compound nouns. Idiomatic means that those nouns behave as a unit and to a lesser or greater degree. amount to more than the sum of their parts. So that means here the example will explain the best. Six pack, here six is another parts of speech, and here pack is the collective noun. So six is belonging to the adjective and pack is the noun. So with belonging with other parts of speech or relating with the other parts of speech, it is forming a single unit. So here six pack is a compound noun. Next there is 5-year old. These words are used as a compound noun. Next there is son-in-law, snowball, mailbox. These are forming the compound nouns. Next we have come to the end of this video, students. So as we have explained very nicely in the video, if you find it very helpful, then don't forget to subscribe channel, like our videos. Have a nice day, students. Thanks for watching. And one thing for sure, we have explained the other question answer relating to Wren and Martin in this video, in the previous videos. So if you want, you can check our playlist for the previous videos from your book Wren and Martin. So for this, stay tuned and take care of yourself.